Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. How are we doing today? I hope inshallah you're doing okay. It's Ramadan. It's beautiful out. The weather's starting to change. The sun's out. You know, when the sun comes out, it puts you in such a fresh mood, in such a beautiful mood that everything changes. Alhamdulillah. Anyway, for those that are my subscribers and that are watching me today, I thank you for your support and love. It means a lot. Continue, please, to be with me. I have a lot of contents to offer. Please stay with me. We are going to build this platform together. And inshallah, we will both enjoy out of it. You and me. And for those that are new today, welcome. I hope you stay. I hope you enjoy what you're looking at. I've got lots to offer, so please stick around. Watch till the end of the video. It's not a long one today. It's a very short one. Just hoping that you like what you see, so you'll stay and you'll like the video and you share it with your friends and family, and you will subscribe. Please. Like I was saying, it's a very quick and easy video today. I have a really simple look. It's an old scarf. And these scarves, maybe they're outdated. I'm not sure. But I've got a few of them that I just love. And I will not get rid of them. There's a drawer full of them. And every so often I get into that mood to bring out one of these older scarves. It's one of those, it's like I said, it's an older scarf, and it's a triangle scarf. It's folded over and stitched with laces on the ends. And it's tassels or laces. It's beautiful. And I want to know why I need to throw them out, because, or it's just, like I said, it's nice and I love them, and every so often they come out. So I would like to show you how easy and simply it is to wrap a triangle scarf. And triangle scarf doesn't exist anymore, but if you have a square scarf, you can fold it over and it becomes a triangle scarf. So this is simple, this is easy, it's really easy put together. It's for those beginners that wants to use the hijab and would like to put the hijab, but it's feeling a little bit insecure about putting on a hijab. You know, apart from putting on a pull-on hijab, which is quite easy and quite simple to do, we can take a simple rectangular hijab or a square hijab, fold it over, and just put it on and make a wrap, and it gives you this beautiful look. Beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's just a simple wrap with a knot in the back, and that's all it is. And it's so pretty. It sits nicely, and you know, I used it to go out today, and I'm wearing a jubba, and it's one of my oldest jubba that I've had for so long. But every so often you get into that mood where you pull things out of the closet and you think, oh, do I really have that? So now, you know, it's a time. The weather's changing. It's beautiful. So let's get to it. It's quite easy. I've got a few stick pins on and it's not in the back. I just want to show you how I got this really simple look. And I'll show you how we did it. Now, like I said, it's very easy. It's simple. It's not a difficult one. If you have a square hijab, you can achieve the same look like I did with this. And I've got a pin here to have that nice little tuck in the front. And this is what the scarf looks like. It's a triangle hijab. If you have a square hijab, you can use the same pattern and same tutorial that I'm going to show you with a square hijab. All you need to do is fold it over and make it into a triangle. Okay, today I've got my ninja as usual. You know, it's a must. It hides all the tiny hairs from showing. And under that, to do a bit of contrast with my scarf and to match my inner shirt, I put that undercap on. And this sits really nicely. It covers it up. It keeps it nice and snug. And that's all we got. Ninja, cap, and now my triangle hijab, which you are assuming that you are using a square hijab. You'd fold it over and now you've got a triangle hijab. And all we do is, this is just for those beginners that wants to use the hijab and is thinking of using the hijab, or putting a hijab on, that's having some issues and not sure, feeling insecure about it. Make the intention. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does the rest for you. He gives you the strength. He gives you the power to fight that inner fear. He gives you the power to find that inner insecurity, that inner nervousness. He helps you. So just make the intention, and this is the best month for those sisters that are thinking about it, that wants to do it, that's having that thought within their, here, I would love to put the scarf on. This is the time to do it. It's Ramadan. The blessings are, it's immense. So if you are feeling doubtful, reach out. We have a community of hijabi sisters, and there's a lot of us out there now. It's not like before when there were just far and few. There's sisters everywhere, and we have the support. So please reach out to someone that's close to you. If you want to reach out to me, leave a comment. Leave a comment in the bottom, and I will definitely address the comment. Yes, so here we go. I'm going to use it equally, okay? I've put it on so it's sitting in the front and the fold is equal. And all I'm going to do is put that up there and put some pressure on the two sides, okay? And fold it in. That's all we're doing. The pressure, and you fold it in. I'm going to use a safety pin. Careful not to poke yourself. Now we've got this nice up here, and we've got here. Now to keep that in place, I'm going to use a very tiny stick pin. One of those ones. It's got the pearl on the top. It matches, so it's, it looks presentable. A lot of sisters like to use the ones without the head so it doesn't show, and that's all good too. It's your preference. So it's nice and done there. And I'm going to put another one on this side. And just when you put your pins in, especially if it has the pearl head, make sure it's even so it looks presentable. It's on both sides, it sits on the same height, so it's presentable. And now on the top, just to keep that look up there a bit, I'm going to use this. Now here's where I'm going to use a stick pin with no head. It's a very tiny one, so that just, and all you do is you pull the scarf up a bit, give it, and you just pin it here. And there you go. And all we're going to do is pull it, take the two ends that are sitting in the bottom, hold that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the tassels, how beautiful they are. It's a lace with tassels and it's gorgeous. And this is why, like I said, they're sitting in the drawer, and I just love keeping them because every so often you get into that mood where you want to wear it. And how beautiful does that sit? That's gorgeous. See? Simple. Look at the back. I've given it a knot and it's sitting there. Look at how the tassels and the lace fall so beautifully. And here we are. That's the look. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's gorgeous. I love it. It's simple. It's easy. For you sisters, please, I'm asking you to, if you want to do it, just do it. Instead of pull on hijab, if you want to use one of these scarves, it is gorgeous and it's simple. all you do is pin it here, give it to tuck, and fold it behind you. And it's just, if you're having a square hijab, this is simple. You fold it over in a triangle shape and you follow the tutorial. It's just simple. I really hope you like that. I really do, you know. And like I said, if you have any concerns or any you need, please reach out to me. And if you like this video, please press the like button. And do share it with your friends and family. We're looking to build a really nice platform. So the more you share with your friends and family, the more the platform grows and the better it is for you and me. And please, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Press the subscribe button and then hit the bell button so that you will always get, whenever I upload a video, you are going to be notified that there's a new video from Hijabs and You. And it's all for you. Right now, because of the lockdown, I am posting every day. Every morning after my prayers, I sit and I upload a video for you, my viewers. When things change, the schedule may change and I will advise you at that point. But for now, every morning, there's something for you. Always something for you, by the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I pray He gives me the strength and the courage and the know-hows to continue to do this for all of you. So until we meet again, I do thank you for watching my channel. Stay safe. Please do your bit. We're still not out of the woods yet, you know, as they say. We still have a lot of work to do. So do your bit to still be very conscious on staying safe. I thank you for watching my channel. Take care. Until we meet again. This is Naz saying Assalamu alaikum.